Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the importance of regular software updates. Software updates are crucial for the security and functionality of your devices. They protect your devices from vulnerabilities and potential cyber threats. Let's learn how to set up automatic updates on different operating systems. For Windows, go to Settings, Update and Security, and enable automatic updates. On Mac OS, open System Preferences, click on Software Update, and enable automatic updates. For Android, go to Settings, System, Advanced, and enable automatic updates. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and enable automatic updates. Remember, even with automatic updates, it's important to regularly check for and install updates manually. Stay proactive in keeping your devices secure and up to date. Subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tips and tutorials.